this weekend. Whatever is pending. I know that some of you are not doing it regularly. So some are very... yeah, we have. Okay, so shall we start the class? Do you have your rough books ready with you?
No. Yes.
Yes, take your rough books. Take your rough books. Okay, so we learned all the spelling rules of degrees of comparison, how to change a positive into comparative superlative. You remember all the rules? All the spelling? Okay, so few more additional words which are not there in your workbook. Your worksheet, it's limited, very few words are there. So we'll be doing more words. Just write it down in your, okay. We'll be solving that. So what is the general rule? How can you form a comparative by adding which two letters?
E-R.
ER. And superlative? Superlative? EST. Okay, so start doing, make 3 columns, draw 3 columns in your book, in your rough book. This is some practice questions for you. I'll give you the short forms. What does P stand for?
Positive.
P for?
Positive.
C for?
Comparative.
And S?
Superlative.
Superlative. Very good, very good. Okay, so we'll start with bold. The first word for today is bold. Okay, first one. Do it. You don't have to say the answer now. Just write the answers along with the question. Just write it. And please mute yourself. I can hear some parent talking. Okay, so if your parents are talking behind you, you have to mute. Then. Are you writing the answers along with this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So in these additional questions, all the rules which we have learned is there. So apply the rules when you change. Okay? Apply the rules when you change. One second.
We cannot see the board.
Yeah, wait, one second.
Ma'am, I can see the board.
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, I can see the board.
Okay, no problem. It's there.
I can see.
It's there.
Ma'am, I see the board, but not the words. Oh, no.
Okay. Okay. Then
Third one small.
third one, small.
Click.
Okay.
And what is the eighth one?
Eighth one, sad. Sad. Okay. So shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I'll start with Akhil. Unmute Akhil. Yeah. Say the answer for the first one. Bold.
And what is the tenth one?
10th one, expensive. Expensive. Okay. Akhil. Can you hear me, Akhil?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer of first one. Bold. Comparative of bold is? How will you change a positive into comparative? In the last two classes, we were discussing only this. What you have to add, Akhil?
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Wait. Akhil should answer. Do you know Akhil? Okay, Devadath. Just carry on, Devadath.
Boulder.
Bolder. Spell it.
BOLDER.
Okay, very good.
Page number. Kite.
One second.
Number one.
Bolder. Bolder. Okay. And Devadath, superlative will be? What is a superlative?
Boldty.
Boldest. My dear children, in the last two classes, we were discussing only this. I don't know what all words you're seeing. Listen, how will you make a comparative? Akhil should answer now, okay? Akhil, please unmute yourself. Akhil, others wait. Yeah, Akhil. Now you look at these words, Akhil. Page number? It's there on the board, my dear.
Worksheet.
Who is asking this? I think somebody who joined late. My dear child, see the screen. Board is there, and we started doing some exercise for changing into comparative and superlative.
Ma'am, Farhan is asking.
Okay, Farhan, did you see the board now?
Ma'am, it's right in the rough book,
Yes.
right?
It's in the rough book. It should be written in the book. Rough book. Okay, Akhil. Did you see the first one? First example? How we got the comparative, Akhil? By adding which two letters?
ചേച്ചിയുടെ റൂമിൽ ചേച്ചിയോടെ പെൻസിലൊക്കെ വെക്കുന്ന ഇത് ഇടും. I cannot hear you.
Akhil, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akhil. Now you just try this bold. How we got this comparative? By adding which two letters? Last? R. Okay. And superlative, how we got? By adding? EST. Is that a basic rule everyone knows? Every one of you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Ivana, can you answer the second one?
What is tenth one?
Ivana.
Ma'am, six. Ma'am, six.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ivana. Answer the second one.
Ma'am, sixth.
Ma'am.
Can I read?
Wait. Ivana started reading the
I
second.
cannot see 10th one.
10th word is expensive.
Kinder.
Expensive.
Kinder.
Okay, Ivana, you started saying kinder. Spelling?
Kinder.
Kinder. Correct. And superlative is?
Kindest.
Okay, kindest.
Can I read the?
You are mute. Ma'am, you are mute.
Do that. Okay, immediately, because I can see hear a lot of talks, chats going on behind you, and that too in Malayalam. So please don't do that. Okay, immediately when somebody is talking in your house, please mute yourself. Or you have to sit in a separate room. I've told that many times. It's a total disturbance if you do like that. Okay, small. So Catherine, can you say the spelling of comparative of small?
Ma'am.
Catherine. Yeah.
Ma'am. S-M-A-L-L-E-R.
Okay. SMALLER. Correct. Then superlative will be smallest. Spellings are very important. Now the next one to Guruchit. White.
White.
Guruchit, not others. Yeah.
Ma'am. White.
Whiter.
Whitest.
Okay.
No.
Whiter. Whitest. Just you have to add one R in comparative and ST in superlative because E is already there. The second, yeah.
Seventh one, can I read?
Yeah, I'll give you a chance. Who is this?
Christo.
Christo. Okay, Christo, seventh one is for you. Okay. Now we haven't reached seventh. You have to wait. Now, Ryan, can you read the next noble?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read it, Ryan.
Noble.
Mm.
Noble.
Okay, nobler. Nobler. What is it? Nobler. Okay. As it ends in E, just add R.
Add R.
Yeah. Some of you know the rules very well and you're doing it. Okay. Rishikesh, can you do sixth one? Sixth, Rishi, unmute.
Marrier.
Is it marry or marry? How do you read that word?
Mary.
Marry. Marrier. And
Marrier.
here, merriest. What will happen to that Y?
I.
You have to change that into I. You know it. Now, Christo, your turn. You have to read seventh. Christo, are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
Easy.
I can't see your video. You turn on your video, Christo.
Am I already done?
No, sir, I can't see your video. Okay, maybe I can hear you. Say.
Easier. Easiest.
Spelling?
E-A-S-I-E-A-S-I-E-R.
Very good.
S-I-E-S-T.
So you know the rule. Good. Very good. Then Abel. Abel, can you read the next? Unmute.
Which one?
Eighth one. Mm.
Sadder, ma'am.
Sadder. Spelling?
SADER.
How many D? Think. It's a 3-letter word. What will happen to the last D?
2.
Yeah. You know the rule? Or you simply said 2? What is the rule we learned? If the last letter, if a 3-letter word, last letter is a consonant preceded by a vowel, the last consonant will become double. Remember that always. Then next one is a long adjective. Ashwin Krishna, can you say the
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ninth?
Courageous.
Courageous. The word is courageous. Ah,
Courageous.
courageous. Is it courageous, sir? No, no, no. What we have to do? Were you present in the last class? We explained the rule.
No.
You were not. Okay, I'll explain the rule. If it is a long adjective with 3 or more than 3 vowel units. Look at the vowels here, Ashwin. Courageous. Vowel syllables. If the vowel syllables are more than 3 or more than 3, we have to add more in comparative in front of it. So it will become more courageous. Look at this. More courageous and most in superlative. Add most in superlative. I think the others, I hope the others remember this rule which we learned already. Okay. Expensive. So Ashwin can try expensive. It's a long adjective with more than 3 syllables. Yeah, unmute yourself. Yeah, try. It's going. Wait, 1 second, my dear. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. More experience.
Expensive. How will you read that word? Expensive. More
expensive.
expensive. What do you mean by the word expensive? I have an expensive watch. What does the word meaning? Costly. Isn't it? Yes. Expensive. Then more expensive and Ashwin?
Expensive.
Very good. Read the word and try reading that word. Expensive. Expensive.
Expensive.
It's not expensive. Expensive.
Expensive.
Most expensive. Okay, the long adjectives. This is a rule regarding the long adjectives with more than 3 vowel syllabic units. You can count the vowels. Okay, you won't go for ER and EST in these cases. Hope everyone finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, do you have your workbooks ready with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Take worksheet 24. Worksheet 24. Yes. 23 we completed last class. 24. Yes. Zara, do you have your workbook with you?
I take.
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
I cannot
Ma'am,
hear
I
you.
can't hear you.
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, I cannot
Ma'am,
hear you.
I cannot.
There was a power failure. We're back. Okay. So ready your worksheets? Worksheets are ready? Zara, I was about to ask something to Zara. Where she's gone? Zara. Zara, just unmute. Unmute. Yeah. Zara, can you read the first question? The first question is for
Yes, ma'am.
identifying the degrees of comparison. Okay. You have to tell me after reading the sentence which degree of comparison is used. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Zara.
The elephant is the biggest animal.
Okay.
Superlative.
Very good. And which is the superlative word there?
Biggest.
Very good. Very good. Now the second one goes to Advait. Do you have a workbook with you?
Ma'am,
Ah.
my connection is lost.
Connection is slow. Okay. So I'm not asking you. Adnan? Adnan, where is your workbook? Amal Fayaz, your workbook is there with you? Yes.
Ma'am,
Ah,
I come now only.
you came now only. What happened? What happened?
Net problem.
Net problem. Okay. Okay. So where is your workbook, my dear? You can bring your workbook and keep it ready. Okay, you have. Take worksheet 24 then. So I'll come back to you. By the time I'll ask somebody else, Partha Sarathi.
Yes, ma'am, I take.
You took, okay. Partha Sarathi, be ready for the next question. Okay. Amal, read the second question and tell me which degree of comparison is used.
Lead is
It's
heavy.
not lead. It's not lead. It's a metal. Lead.
Lead is heavier than copper.
Okay.
Comparative.
Very good. And which is a comparative word there?
Lead.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. No.
Copper.
No.
Heavier.
Yes, heavier. Why are you reading different words? Heavier than. When you see heavier than, you can make sure it is comparative. Megha, read the, wait. I told Partha Sarathi, so I'll go to Partha Sarathi. Third one. Megha, next.
A
Just
rat,
Mm.
a rat is as small as a frog.
Okay. Which degree is used? You have to tell
Positive.
positive, comparative, or superlative. Which one is used?
Positive.
Very good. How you got it as positive? Because there is no ER and EST, and you can
Small.
see as. That is also there. Okay. As, small as. This as is coming only for positives. Now, Megha, read the fourth one. Unmute.
Can I mute?
Yeah. Don't go. Okay. Yeah. Fourth one, Megha.
And
Aeroplane.
aeroplane is faster than a train.
Okay.
See,
Yeah. See means?
seems comparative.
Yeah, it's comparative. And which is a comparative word there, Megha?
Faster.
Very good. Very good, Megha. Faster. Then, Rishi, can you read the next one? Yeah, I'm unmuting you. Wait. Yes, Rishi. Can't do? Try again. Why? Just try. Okay. Fifth one.
Australia is the largest island in the world.
Australia is the largest island in the world. Which degree?
Superlative.
Superlative. And which is the superlative word there?
Largest.
Largest. Very good. Faihan, are you ready to read the next? Yes. Sixth one. Question 6.
Life in a town is as expensive as in a city.
Okay.
Positive.
Positive. Very good. And which is a positive adjective there?
Expensive.
Expensive. Very good. Now the next one, you have to change the words which are given in brackets to other degrees. Okay. Now I'll go to Joseph Ivan. Joseph, unmute. Yeah. First one. Where is your workbook, Joseph?
The lion, Nile,
Yes. Amal, are you reading? I'll give you nicely. Joseph Ivan. Joseph, where is your workbook? Where is your workbook? Okay, then read that first one. Don't waste the time. Don't waste the time. Yeah. Are you reading? Are you reading, Joseph? Yeah. The Nile is the dash river in the world. In the bracket, it's given long. So which form of long will you use there? Is the Ashwin, wait, Ashwin. Okay. Are you getting? No. What happened? Superlative form of long. Ivan, Joseph Ivan. Of long. Okay, our Ashwin will say the answer. Ashwin, unmute. Longest. If Joseph, you were not present in the last class. Were you there in the last class? No. Okay. So how will you form the superlative? By adding est. Okay. Now the second one.
Wisest.
Second one. Anthony, read the second.
Wisest.
Anthony. Yeah.
kind,
King. What is the word? King.
king,
Solomon.
Solomon, was a dash
King.
king.
Okay.
Vicious.
What is the word? Wise. Reading so strange. Just look and read carefully. Okay, you know the word, but you have to be very careful when you read. Wise. Very good. King Solomon was a wise king. There you don't have to make any change. Just write wise because the sentence is in positive degree. Now I'll go to Catherine again. Catherine, read the third.
The pen is dash than the sword.
Sharper. Very good. Somebody else is trying to speak in between. I asked Catherine. Okay. The pen is sharper than the sword. Very good. Which degree, Catherine? Which degree it is?
Comparative.
Very good. Comparative. Then the fourth one. Ameya, can you read the fourth? Yes, Amaya. Fourth one.
The Everest
Hmm.
is the
Hmm.
highest.
Others are saying
peak.
yes. What is the answer, Amaya? I couldn't hear you properly.
Highest.
Okay, highest. Good. Now the fifth one.
In
To
Dubai is then
one.
respective then
Ain Al Sabah, can you read the fifth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Life in Dubai is dash than that of India. More expensive.
Very good. More expensive. It's in comparative degree. Then sixth one, the last one. Niranjana, can you read that? Last one.
The Pacific
Ah,
is the deepest ocean.
very good. The Pacific is the deepest ocean. Very good. Now you have to complete up to this worksheet by this weekend. I think some of you have already done. Shall we go for a small test? Small one?
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Ling 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 ling.
1 second. So,
Oh my God, I don't not got the link.
I haven't pasted it. Wait. It's getting slow here, but that's fine.
Come on, come on.
See, you are not allowed to chat in the chat box. If I say this again, I'll remove all those people from the class. It was told many times to you, you're not supposed to chat. Did you get the link?
Yes.
Okay, start doing it quickly. Just 3 questions. Quickly, you can submit.
Okay. This is the easiest problem. Other problem. The easiest is
Hmm.
other.
Finished? Should I read it for you? I'll read it.
Yes,
I'll, I'll read the question so you can do it fast. This is the dash problem. You have to choose the correct option there. You have to think about the degree, which degree should be used. This is the dash problem. Okay, whether it should be easiest or easier. Then second one, she is dash than her sister. Dash than her sister. Smartest or smarter? Then the last question is, this watch is dash. Expensive or more expensive? Okay. Think. Okay. Fast, fast, make it fast. Don't do in a hurry. When you people do in a hurry, you're making mistakes.
But I want.
Okay. Shall we stop?
And I did not write.
Just do it fast. Okay. So bye. So I'll be sending the notes of degrees of comparison also. Try to complete that also. Not long, very few notes. Very few, because you have all the exercises in worksheet book. Okay. So a small note. Bye. Meet you all in the next class. Bye.
It's